if you faint when your credit card bill comes in either through the letterbox or into your inbox, then you're not using it correctly. I'm a big fan of credit, but only if it's used correctly. So please allow me to show you how YNAB manages and will help you stay on top of your credit card payments really simply and easily. And my philosophy in life is, if it's not easy and simple, I'm not doing it. So there's a link to this piece of software below this video. I've been using the software for about 7 years and I highly recommend it. It's not free, but it's one of the few pieces of personal finance software that I absolutely love and would personally recommend. So where I want to start here on this screen is with my net worth. Now this is a test plan. I use it for training purposes. So I've given myself a net worth of €5,000. So I want you to remember that figure, and you see here I don't have any debt. And I have two accounts here. One is my credit card and one is my current account. And I have a net worth because I gave myself €5,000 there at the beginning of July. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 3 payments. There are 3 ways of spending money. One, you can spend money in cash, where you go to the bank, take the money out and exchange that cash for goods and services. Another way to spend money is you can do a cashless transaction. So you use your debit card, which takes the money straight out of your bank account that minute. Or you can use your credit card, which you exchange, make the exchange for goods and services, but the money doesn't leave your current account until about 56 days afterwards. And that's an option that I personally love, because my credit card gives me points. It gives me an extra 56 days up to that the money is sitting in my current account. So the more I hang on to my money, the more money I make, which is great. And I also don't incur bank fees. So my credit card is not extra money. It's simply a way of spending money that I already had planned to spend. It was in my spending plan, I could afford it, and I actually wanted the thing in the first place. So let me just show you how this works. So I'm going to make 3 payments. I'm going to buy some groceries, and I see here I have €599 in my grocery spending plan. I am going to buy some fuel. I have €160 in my fuel envelope or jam jar, whatever you want to call it. And I'm going to go to the dentist. And here I have €200 in that spending plan allocated for dental work. So I'm going to make the payments and I'm going to use my credit card to make the payments. So what I do want to show you here is, here my credit card, I don't do anything on my credit card. So this is 0. My net worth is 5,000. So these are important things to remember. I'm going to make these 3 transactions. I'm going to go to the supermarket and buy some groceries. I'm going to the filling station and get some fuel. And I'm going to go to the dentist and pay the dentist. And I often feel that paying the dentist bill hurts me more than the actual dental visit itself. So these 3 payments have come to €480. So when I come back up to my spending plan or budget, as YNAB calls it, nothing here has changed. I have transferred €480 into my credit card fund. So it's like moving money from one jam jar to another. And then I spent money on groceries. I still have money left to spend. I bought some fuel. I still have a bit left to spend. And I went to the dentist and I still have money left to spend. Now my net worth here, you can see it has dropped from 5,000 to 4,520. And I have this red section here is money I owe. Now this is the real key. So when the bill is due to be paid, I'm going to pay it. And all I'm doing is transferring money from my current account into my credit card account. So it's moving money from one jam jar to another. So it's not extra money. So when I pop back up to my budget, see here, all the money has been allocated. I haven't created any debt. My credit card balance is now at 0. My groceries money left to spend hasn't changed. That hasn't changed. That hasn't changed. But what has changed is when I come to my net worth has not changed. Yes, it has dropped from the 5,000 because I spent €480, but it hasn't changed from when I owed the money to the credit card. So I have no red section here. See here, I have 0 debt. And my assets are still €4,520. So I hope that makes sense. There's a couple of key points to remember. When you spend money from any bank account, whether it's your wallet, your credit card, your current account, doesn't matter, log the transaction. So log it, record it so that your money adjusts, so that when you look at this screen, it says up to date as 2 minutes ago. Your credit card is not extra money. It's a way of spending money that you already have. You had already planned to spend it and you're just using a different method of spending it. Use your credit card wisely and make sure you pay it in full each month on the due date by direct debit if possible. And always make sure that your credit card gives you reward points. So please, whatever country you're in, just Google credit card reward points and your relevant country, and you'll find a list of options there. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe. And if there's something that you specifically would like me to show you, just pop it in the comments below. And the link to this software is also in the comments. I'll catch you again. My name is Aoife from Prudence Money Penny Coaching, and I am a very proud YNAB user.